Backlinks are links from a page on one website to another. If someone links to your website, you receive a backlink. If you link to a different website, that site will receive a backlink from you. With that out of the way, this guide will teach you why backlinks are important, what makes a good backlink, how to check backlinks for any website, how to get more backlinks, why backlinks are important. Backlinks help in 3 primary ways. 1. Rankings. Backlinks are votes of confidence for search engines like Google. In general, the greater the number of votes your web pages receive, the more likely they are to score well for relevant search queries. The quantity of backlinks from unique websites corresponds highly with organic search traffic. 2. Discoverability. Search engines discover new content by returning previously crawled pages to check for new links. Since search engines revisit popular pages more frequently than unpopular ones, search engines may find your content faster if you obtain backlinks from popular pages. 3. Referral traffic. Backlinks exist to direct users to valuable sites. Therefore, they are clickable. When a user clicks on a link that leads to your website, you receive referral traffic. What makes a good backlink? Not all backlinks are the same. Here are some of the many factors that contribute to the quality and utility of a backlink. Relevance. Google places a higher value on backlinks that are relevant since users are more inclined to click them. This topic is discussed in their Reasonable Surfer patent. What does this mean? If an electrician has backlinks from 2 pages, one about dogs and one on switch installation, the latter is likely to be more valuable. This concept is also applicable at the domain level. Electrical.com readers are more likely to click on a link to an electrician's website than pets.com readers. Authority. Backlinks from authoritative web pages typically pass on more authority than those from subpar web pages. I've examined page-level authority on multiple occasions and discovered a correlation between it and organic traffic. However, backlinks from authoritative pages are not always more authoritative. According to Google's original patent, authority is divided evenly among all outbound links on a web page. Consequently, if you have backlinks from 2 pages and one has more outward connections than the other, then, all other factors being equal, the link from the website with fewer outbound links transfers more authority. Are things that simple today? Most likely not. Google has a substantial number of patents covering various ways of evaluating backlinks. Additionally, internal backlinks contribute to the authority of a page. Traffic. Backlinks from pages with high traffic will typically bring you more referral traffic than those from pages with low traffic. That is evident. The underlying question is whether backlinks from pages with high traffic affect rankings more positively than those from pages with low traffic. Placement. Because individuals are more inclined to click prominently positioned links, some links on web pages likely carry more weight than others. Consider this when pursuing link building opportunities. If your link is likely to appear in the site's footer or alongside 50 other sites in the sidebar, you should focus your efforts elsewhere. Followed versus not followed. Not-followed backlinks do not often affect the rankings of the connected page. However, they can. Due to the time and work required for link building, it is better to prioritize followed links. Just don't complain if you receive a not-followed link. It could still have SEO benefit. Anchor text. Anchor text refers to the words that can be clicked to create a backlink. Google claims in its initial patent that anchor text affects search engine rankings. Google uses a variety of methods to improve search quality, including PageRank, anchor text, and proximity data. How to check backlinks. There are 2 options to check the backlinks of a website or web page. The first option only applies to websites you own. Use the second option to check backlinks to another website or web page. Checking backlinks in Google Search Console. Google Search Console provides data regarding the organic search traffic and overall performance of your website. Sign up for a free account and verify ownership of your website to use it for free. After logging in, select links from the sidebar. The number listed beneath external links indicates the total number of unique backlinks to the website. There are 3 reports below. Top linked pages. The pages with the most links on your website. Top linking sites. Websites with the highest number of backlinks to yours. Top linking text. The most common anchors used when linking to your website. Start your Search Console experience with the Top Linked Pages report. Then, click any URL to view the websites that connect to a certain page. Then, select a website to discover which of its pages connect to the target page. Checking backlinks using a third-party backlink checker. Use a tool like the SE Ranking Backlink Checker tool to check the backlinks to a website you do not control. Simply input a domain or URL and click the search button. In addition to the top 100 backlinks, the total number of backlinks and referring domain links from different websites will be displayed. In addition, you will see the following information: total referring domains, total backlinks, do follow versus no follow ratio, new and lost referring domains, new and lost backlinks, top backlink anchors, top referring domain anchors, and much more. Give SE Ranking a try and check the backlinks of any website. Link in the description box below. How to get more backlinks. There are 3 strategies to acquire more backlinks: create, earn, and build. Earning backlinks. This is when others discover your content through search engines such as Google, social media, or word of mouth and decide to link to it. Earned backlinks are therefore organic. Create truly useful content that others will want to link to increase your likelihood of earning more backlinks. Creating backlinks. This is when you manually add links from other websites to your site. Submitting to company directories, writing blog comments, and responding to forum posts are examples. Building backlinks. This is the process of requesting other site owners, editors, and webmasters to link to your page. To make this work, you must have a distinct value proposition. This is where link building strategies come into play. Here are some tried and true suggestions. Guest blogging. Offer to write a one-time article for another website. Broken link building. Entails locating relevant dead links on other websites and suggesting your live link as a replacement. The skyscraper technique. Involves locating relevant content with numerous links, creating something superior, and then requesting that individuals who link to the original link to you instead. Unlinked mentions. Identify unlinked references of your brand and request that the author makes them clickable. Backlinks are crucial for ranking well in search engines like Google. Nevertheless, not all backlinks are equal. Relevance, placement, and other factors contribute to the quality and utility of a link. In general, the simpler it is to obtain a link, the less beneficial it will be. Thanks for watching.